Want to update the phone number linked to your Gmail? Here's how. Open the Gmail app on your device and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Manage your Google account. Next, head to the Personal Info tab. Scroll down to Contact Info and tap on Phone. Choose the number you want to change. Then tap the trash icon to delete it. Confirm removal, and your number is gone. Next, go back to the main Google account page. Refresh it and the number will be deleted. Now, tap on Phone and enter your new phone number, making sure to include the country code. After that, scroll to the bottom and tap on Get Code. A verification code will be sent to the number you entered. Type the code into the verification field and tap Verify. Within a few seconds, your phone number will be successfully added. And that's it, you're all set.